Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. The bottom basket wheel front on each side has a plastic stopper which stops the basket from travelling all the way out. The other wheels on the bottom basket don't have the plastic stopper. Lift the basket up and out of the dishwasher. Simply pull up and away to unclip the front wheel from the dishwasher bottom basket. Unpackage your new dishwasher bottom basket front wheel. Make sure it's the correct way around before installing. The plastic stopper at the front and the clip at the rear. Attach the new front wheel to the basket wire. Reinsert the bottom basket into the dishwasher. And that's it. Your new dishwasher bottom basket front wheel is all set to go.